We looked at a market and we came up with what we believe to be a better mousetrap. Broadwind Heavy Fabrications is a business where currently we build wind towers, and we also build a lot of other types of equipment that go into the oil and gas space and other markets in construction, mining.
We get flat plate in and we create it into wind towers, and the plate could be up to 3 inches in thickness, so it's a big product, and it damages equipment when you're handling, so there's a lot of retrofitting and getting the equipment to be in working conditions.
As we've grown as an organization and increased our capital in our facilities, we've tried to upgrade it, make the systems a little bit more automated, more safer, where you've got cutouts, photonic sensors, and we use a lot of features of that with Phoenix Contact in that aspect.
So part of my reasoning and going when I retrofit an equipment is, how do I make it easier to troubleshoot, and how do I make it easier also for the operator to run the equipment? So that's where we started using a lot of Phoenix Contact terminals, power supplies, because just reliability on those. And the push connect just makes it easier for everybody on terminals, and everybody's loving them.
With that technology, we were able to increase our capacity and manage those capabilities of building towers. So it's a large fabrication process, fairly complicated from the welding aspect, and the quality control of it from cradle to grave, for sending the tower from a flat piece of plate, rolling it, and welding it together on our grow line, all the way through paint, into assembly, and out to the field.
Here in Abilene, we also produce pressure reduction systems. What's really exciting for us on that product line is it's a homegrown product. With this product line, we are serving markets in virtual pipeline, power generation, and also facets in oil and gas and other markets.
It is a unit that takes high pressure gas and takes it and drops it down in reduction stages to lower the pressure to a usable medium for an end output. Whether it's motors to drive pumps for fracking units, generators, turbines. The primary units we use are the power supplies and the redundancy modules and a lot of the terminal strips for continuous commonality across the board.
So one of the big part of why we use Phoenix components on our PRS is just the amount of product lines that Phoenix Contacts has that are already classified as Class 1 Division 2, which all the product going into our low flow system has to be classified. So that's part of the reason why we also use a lot of Phoenix on it.
The benefits of using a PRS unit in the spaces that it's used is it's a lower cost when using natural gas versus, for example, diesel that goes through many steps of refining. It also is a cleaner fuel when it's burned. It's considered a clean energy.
Talking with Phoenix Contact, when my supplier recommends a Phoenix Contact and I need help learning about the equipment, it's always easy to schedule a meeting and talk with the sales engineering or department of Phoenix and have a Teams meeting or come over and talk about the product.
Phoenix Contact is a great partner in much of what we do. In Abilene, Texas, it's probably not the most forgiving environment, and we tend to be very, very hard on things in the oil and gas field, but also in our factory, and we need a product that is very robust and very capable to deliver what Phoenix Contact does.